Sound of Fukushima silence. The sound of... What does it sound like to get cancer and die? So the handoff. They took a lot of questions, didn't they? You know how many questions they took at their so-called press conference? One. Sound of Fukushima silence. The handoff. You think it's a coincidence? First one in with Trump. The first one with it for a Japanese PM to come to the United States. Post the bomb. Post Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Happened twice until Abby came, met with cover up Marie Antoinette, let them eat yellow cake. Trump met with Abby 18. First one in. Remember it? Mar-a-Lago. Blocked out the windows. High-fiving on the golf. A little different photo ops than we had with... Met with Biden. Recording history. Oh, it's important. You're asleep, you fucking... All of you vloggers and fucking morons. Why aren't you on this? They're going to look back and say, all we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo. Fucking fools. Biggest story in the fucking world, Pacific Ocean. And that's all. Just Mulder meltdowns, the greatest cover-up in history. The Bay of Pigs, 60 years later. Long press conference, huh? You saw the whole thing. That was it. The sound of Fukushima, like the ultimate cancer, it grows.